everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to make a video about how you can set up your Amazon affiliate account. So as you can see that on my screen, I'm going to search for Amazon affiliate link. Before we continue or move on further, please go ahead and subscribe my channel for more videos about, because I'm also gonna drop 1 or 2 videos about how you can make money online now. And so we will start with like how to set up your Amazon affiliate account. So as you can see, I'm typing for Amazon affiliate program, and for that you can click on Amazon Associate Central link, Amazon affiliate-program.amazon.com. So it's very easy to sign up over here if you are a US resident. If you are already using your Amazon account will work, and all you need to do is go ahead and click sign in over here. But if you do not have any Amazon account, you can click on sign up, and now you have to create your Amazon account. Once you click over here, you have to enter your first name, your name, like my channel name is Wiki the Tag, email address is wiki.tag@gmail.com, password can be anything like you like. Make sure you are typing your password at least 6 characters, and they should include like caps lock, small letters, numeric, and symbol. So all these 4 things help you out creating your strong password. So you click on create an Amazon account, you will receive your OTP on your email address. So I will go ahead and check OTP I received in my account. So that is 247871. Create your Amazon account. For any product, Amazon product like affiliation, like FBA, you can use your Amazon account. So here is asking you to become like create your Amazon associate account. Now you have to enter your payee name, which should be your original name. So as my original name is Wakar Munir, and I have to enter my address over here. I will blur it later. I have to enter my address over here. Everything will become, enter your state, which is Pennsylvania, enter your zip, enter your number. Now you need to click next over here. It's asking for your city. I missed the city, so click next. So suggested, select the suggested address over here, click on this one. So now it's gonna ask you for your website. If you have any website, enter the website, or any application you have, just enter your website. Like wikithetech.com is my website, so you can enter, click add, next. Any of these website, mobile apps, what is there? No, so click no, confirm. So what would you prefer to be your associate ID? So I would say Wiki the Tech. This is gonna help you out tracking your spreading Amazon link. While you are going to spread your Amazon link, this will become your tracking ID. So if someone made a purchase on your through using your link, your associate link, That will help you out a lot, and you will get commission about all the purchases. So what are your websites? About cell phones and repair. So you have to select these topics, fill all the information like which of the following topic best describe your website. It's about computer software technology. Secondary topic will be like you can select according to you. I'm going to select others. So what you're doing, electronics, computer and office, the same thing you have to do over here. What type of website are you? Alright, it's search. Secondary type, again search. That's all you need to do. How do you drive your traffic to your website? It's gonna be like, it can be paid search, it can be email, shopping portal, display advertisement, social networks. It's up to you. I do SEO too, so that's all. As you do building up your website, just select according to that. How do you utilize your website and apps to generate income? So that must possibly like you can do Amazon associated is the only way to monetize my site. And also secondary, you can say like eBay affiliate program. You can do a lot of stuff. You can say whatever you are doing. How do you usually build links? HTML editor. How many total unique visitors you have? 500 to 5,000 a month. Primary reason for joining this to get monetized, to monetize my site, to get rich content for my site. So you can do that because if you have a website, like I have a website, as you can see, wikithetech.com. I'm building this website to put all my banners over here. These are my banners, and I'm gonna put some products, not some products, like a lot of Amazon products on my website. So anyone who will make a purchase using my link or my website, they will get commission according to that. So that's how you can make money online about this, using Amazon affiliate. How did you hear about us? Online search. Enter the captcha for TDGT7. Okay, agree the agreement, click finish. So that's all you need to do for creating like Amazon associate program. It's asking you to enter your payment and tax information because once you get paid, you have to pay taxes on it. So I will do later. You can do now if you have information in your hand. So that's all you need to do. Once you are done, you can see that summary of this month. Any clicks you will get, they will appear over here. Any commissions, if someone made a purchase according to your using your link, you can show you the commission over here. And after that, how you will spread the link of Amazon is here. Product links, banners, native shopping ads, mobile popovers, link to any page. So what you can do, click on product links. This will allow you to generate Amazon affiliate link. These are the recommendation or the best selling products recommendations. So what you will do, let's suppose these are already the recommendations. So just click on get link. It will show you your Amazon link over here, text only. You can see this is HTML link. It's called embedded link. You can paste it in your website. Use standard link, which is HTTPS. And as you can see in this link, you will see your ID, the username you created. You can see wikithetech 07-20. This ID is gonna track down all the purchases through your link, but you can also make it shorter by click on short link. So once you click on short link, copy that and spread it all over your community, or if someone wants to buy something on Amazon, you can specifically search that product as according to the seller they want to purchase from. Like one of my friend wants to purchase a like Apple charger, so I will just go into product links, and after that I will come over here. I will search like Apple charger. So Apple MagSafe charger, let's suppose it's by Apple Computer. That means this is originally posted on Amazon from Apple. So what you can do, there's already discount going on, $5. Click on get link, go over here, click on text only. So now you will see the same three options, like embedded link with your tracking ID, short standard link with your tracking ID over here, we need the tag, and short link. So what I will do, I will copy that and send it over to my friend who want to make a purchase. So once even he make a purchase, so you will see everything over here, like in your Amazon clicks, how many clicks you got on your spreader links, how many total earning you got, total ordered item, total clicks. So these are the summary by month, and these are the total clicks you got on your links when you started spreading your links. So it's also helpful if you have a website. You can run campaigns on Facebook, creating Facebook pages, groups. You can post over there too. So that should be it for creating like Amazon affiliate account. And my next video, I would definitely upload a video about how like different how to make money on with different ways online. So that's it for the day, and if please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good one. Bye bye.